Have you ever felt like your own mind is working against you? Like no matter what happens, your brain finds a way to make you feel anxious, guilty, or hopeless? What if I told you that you might be accidentally making yourself depressed and anxious? Not because life is that bad, but because your thoughts are distorted? The good news? You can change this. Today we're talking about cognitive distortions, the sneaky thinking habits that twist reality, and how to fix them so you can feel calmer, clearer, and more in control. Let's dive in. Part 1. What are cognitive distortions? Cognitive distortions are exaggerated or irrational thoughts that make us see things worse than they really are. They're like mental filters that delete the good and magnify the bad. Psychologists like Dr. David Burns identified 10 common distortions. Let's break down the big ones. 1. All or nothing thinking. If I'm not perfect, I'm a failure. 2. Overgeneralization. I messed up once. 3. Mental filter, ignoring positives, focusing only on negatives. 4. Catastrophizing. This bad thing will ruin everything forever. 5. Personalization. It's all my fault, even when it's not. You. Sound familiar? These distortions feel true, but they're not reality. They're just bad mental habits, and habits can be broken. Part 2. How to fix them. The 3-step skill. You. Here's how to rewire your brain in 3 steps. Spot, stop, swap. Step 1. Spot the distortion. You. Next time you feel a surge of anxiety or sadness, pause and ask, what am I thinking right now? Which distortion is this? Example, my friend didn't text back. They hate me. That's mind reading and personalization. Step 2. Stop and challenge it. Text, ask, is this 100% true? What's the evidence? You. Challenge the thought like a lawyer. Ask, is there proof this is true? What's a more balanced way to see this? Example, maybe they're busy. They've been kind before. I don't know for sure. Step 3. Swap it for a rational thought. Text, replace the distortion with a fair, realistic thought. You. Rewrite the script. Instead of, I'll never succeed, try, some things are hard, but I've overcome challenges before. Part 3. Practice makes progress you. This isn't about positive thinking. It's about accurate thinking. You won't fix this overnight, but with practice, you'll catch distortions faster. Try this. 1. Journal for 5 minutes daily. 2. Pause when emotions feel overwhelming. 3. Celebrate small wins. Every balanced thought is a victory. You. Your mind is powerful. It can drag you down, but it can also lift you up. The first step? Recognizing that you're not helpless to your thoughts. You've got this. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Which distortion do you struggle with the most? See you next time. And remember, your thoughts